I took this buy trade on V100 index using this simple market approach. This buy setup was shared on my free Telegram channel and to my VIP members. You can see I'm moving in good profit. Firstly, I had an entry at this zone which I got stopped out in a loss, so I had to re-enter on price approaching this zone, this level, right? And you can see how well I'm moving in profit. More buys is expected on Volatility100 index in the coming days and hours, would say, right? So what's the market analysis? How did I know this index is going to buy from this zone? I got into this trade using this simple trading methodology, a simple break and retest market approach. Right, so firstly, you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, I start from a higher time frame, and this higher time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, and it can be the monthly time frame. So I started from the daily time frame, sorry, the weekly time frame, would say, analyzing this index, and we can see that we got a level here which I identified. We got a level at this zone, right? And we can see market reactions on this level as a support. We can't see this clearly because of the nature of this index on a higher time frame, but when we zoom in the chart, you can see how price has reacted on this level, which tells that this level is a strong level of support. So I got that zone identified. On the daily time frame, market formation is looking good as well, right? Market formation is looking good because we got this previous trend, previous market direction. Market was in a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows formation heading to the downside. Identified this previous market trend and also identified the current market trend. We got the previous trend at that zone, got price move in an uptrend here, which was also a previous market direction, and market was now moving a downtrend at this zone. Remember, we had the level identified already, which price is buying from, right? We got this level identified here. We got this level identified at this zone, which price is buying from, getting this buy move from this zone. And we got this previous trend as well, which market was in, which I also spotted and identified. Right, so this was market moving a downtrend previously, and whenever a trend is broken, a new trend is likely to start forming. So we got this new trend, we started forming at this zone. Market started creating higher lows formation. The first lows here, this is a bullish structure basically. The first lows at that zone and the second lows at this point. So I was like, market is actually giving a bullish structure, a bullish formation, and we had a level here too, which I also spotted, a level of resistance. This is a key level on this index, a level that price has always reacted on, either reject from or buy from, right? But currently the market is trading below this level, and we've got multiple rejections on this zone as a resistance. When we check previous market reactions, when we check historical move, we can tell that this is a strong level, a level we got price buy and sell on. We got price sell on this level. Firstly, resistance, market reactions here on the daily time frame, right? Buys, rejections from this zone, price bought on test of this level, the buys, multiple market reactions on this zone, the buys here before price now finally broke below it as a resistance, and we are getting price towards sell on this level. Resistance here, first reaction here, resistance, second reaction, resistance, third reaction here, resistance, and the fourth reaction here, resistance. So I think it's due time this level of resistance gets broken. There's a saying in trading that if a level is being tested multiple times, that level gets strong, and there's also a tendency that that level becomes weak, right? So there's a possibility that markets, that the bulls would gather more buying pressure to break above this level, right? Giving more buys on this index, giving the long buys on the V100 index, and we're getting price create a bullish formation, which is an inverted head and shoulders pattern formation on the daily time frame. So we got price do what? Create this left shoulder here, a head at this zone, and the right shoulder at this point. So this is a bullish structure in a hole on the daily time frame on V100 index, right? So I got this formation identified, these two higher lows and this inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, which means that there's a possibility of what? Price breaking above this level, this zone, in the coming days and weeks on the V100 index. if we can get price break above this level, right, we'd see long buys on this index. A break above this zone, then we'd see price do what? Buy to this point, at least buy to this zone on Volatility100 index, right? So that's my market analysis on that's my trade projection on the daily time frame on this index. So the previous hours we got price do what? Build up at this point on the 4-hour time frame. We got this consolidation here. We got multiple 4-hour time frame candles. Let's not forget this the 4-hour time frame chart. So each and every candle here takes 4 hours to form. So we got this consolidation here, and whenever there's a consolidation, there's always a breakout, either to the upside or to the downside. But on how price has been consolidating, we already got this bullish structure, a high here and another high, a higher high, which is a bullish market formation. So there's a possibility of price doing what? Consolidating here and giving the breakout to the upside. And we got price do what? Create a low here, firstly a low at that zone, and another low here, a higher low to match up with the higher highs, the high and the higher highs that were formed earlier, right? To match up with these high and the higher high. So there's a possibility of getting the breakout to the upside. So on price consolidating for hours, for like 2 days, we got consolidations at this zone on the V100 index, right? So on price consolidating here, I was expecting the breakout to the upside. Price actually did here. You can see this bullish engulfing candle that broke out of this zone, this consolidation. So on the retest on it is where I got my entries on the V100 index. I couldn't get more entries because of getting stopped out earlier. I had to re-enter on a small position, right? But more buys is so expected. At least first target level should be here, somewhere here, because we got this level as a zone, a strong level on this index. When we extend this thing, we can see that this is a very strong level on this index, a level we should pay attention to. Likely to get the sells from this zone if price can approach this level. So this would be my first target level. I have like 2 positions on these 0.5 lots, right? So more buys is still expected regardless of having this zone. More buys is expected. Looking at the day time frame structure, we could expect price break above this zone, giving a retest of this level, giving a test of this level in the coming days and hours. So on the 1 hour time frame, basically I got these this consolidation identified, and we have our consolidation resistance level at that zone and our consolidation support level here, our consolidation support level at this point. So it's like if price can give a breakout of this resistance level, I'll be taking the buy trade on this index, and we can see how price did what? Gave the breakout, gave a retest on it, and I took my buys at this point. I'm moving in good profits. The trade is moving nicely well, right? And the market structure too is looking bullish on the 50-minute time frame. We got price creates series of highs, series of lows, series of higher lows formation, which is a bullish structure, which I also took note of, which added to my buy confidence as well. So I took my buys on the retest of this consolidation resistance level that got broken, turned support. So I bought this index at this point. My stop loss here below these lows, the previous lows. So I'm moving in good profit. More buys is expected in the coming hours and days on V100 index. I'll be having my major target level here, which I would pay attention to because we're likely to get the rejections from this zone, right? So my entries was on the retest of this level and price creating this double bottom formation on the lower time frame, right? The first lows here, the second lows, the first lows here, the second lows at this zone. I knew that the bulls are coming to the market because we got a reversal pattern formation on the 1 minute time frame, right? So I got into the trade here at this point. So I'm moving in nice profit. So I'm likely to move my stop loss below my entry to break even this trade, to stay safe in this trade. So more buys is expected in the coming hours and days on V100 index. So that's it, guys. That's how I will take the buy trade on this index price action. Basically, I analyzed from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame for my entries and to get a good buy zone, right? So hit the like button for more trade reviews, guys, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and double for the